Hello children, how are you? Now 4th class. See children, now 4th class mathematics 11th chapter. So what is our chapter? 11th chapter. Tick tock goes the clock. Tick tock goes the clock. Say spelling T-I-C-K tick, T-O-C-K tock, G-O-E-S goes, T-H is the C-L-O-C-K clock. Tick tock goes the clock. So observe children the chapter name. So now see here how much time does it take for you to draw a flower? How much time does it take from you to draw a flower? How much time will taking? In minutes time only. 5 minutes, 10 minutes like that only. How much time do you take to take a bath? How much time do you spend in school? Find out how much time a basket maker takes to make a basket. How much time does carpenter to take a chair, to make a chair? How much time does a tailor take to make a kurta? See children here, different activities require different amounts of time. Suppose making basket, hours only having. That carpenter make a chair, days will taking days. How much time does a tailor take to make kurta? Hours. Yes? See here children. See now activities that require a few minutes. A few minutes activities. We are doing some activities only. Some activities will doing minutes and some activities hours and some activities will doing days and some activities months. So in which activity will doing minutes? In few minutes only. Which activity will take? Activities that require a few minutes. Taking a bath with minutes only. Yes. Again drinking milk. Drinking milk. So drinking milk, how much time will taking this activity? Only few minutes only. Next one, again which activity you are doing? Combing hair. Combing hair. You are combing only your hairs too? Yes. You are taking minutes time or hours time for combing? Minutes. Yes. Combing hair. And next eating food. Eating food also we are taking minutes only. You are taking hours or days? Hours only taking, you are minutes only? Yes. We are taking eating food in minutes time. Wearing clothes. Taking a bath finishing after wearing clothes. Wearing clothes. Wearing clothes. And drinking water. Drawing picture. Watering plants. You are doing this work, watering plants. So plant to water will flowing only. You are all. So watering plants. So these are all activities that require a few minutes. A few minutes. These all activities will done in the few minutes. Next, activities that require hours. How many hours here required? Studying at school. In school, at school, how much time you are spending in school? Hours time only. Next, playing. Playing at park. Playing at park. Playing at park. Next, your mother, what work will doing she? She is preparing food only. Yes, she is taking hours or minutes for food preparing. Hours. Yes, cooking food. Cooking food. Cooking food. Next, you are traveling journey only? Yes? Traveling. Traveling also hours only. Traveling. Traveling. Next, your all members completing homework? Yes, writing homework. Writing homework. Next, washing clothes. Washing clothes. How much time? Hours only. This L children, L, CLOTHES. Next one, watching TV. You are all members watching only. Watching TV. Yes? See here children, activities that require a few minutes. Few minutes activities, taking a bath and drinking milk, combing hair, eating food, wearing clothes and drawing picture, watering the plants. Yes? So these all activities, a few minutes. Next children, activities that require hours. Hours, studying at school, playing at park, cooking food, traveling, writing homework, washing clothes, watching TV. Yes? And activities that days, require days. Building a hut. You know children, hut. And some animals too will preparing only hut. So that hut, how much time this activity is done means how much time want? So will days only. Building hut. Next, making a chair. Making a chair. Making a chair. Next, making parts only. Making parts only. That means what? Pottery. So making parts. Pottery means what children? Making parts. That parts also making days only. That what will doing that poetry means? That parts making. Some mud will taking and mixing water too. And so much work is there. So that work how many days will how much time will taking? for days only. It's required days. So poetry and writing exams also. So you are writing exams only and days only? Yes, writing exams. Writing exams. So we are writing exams that FA, SA1, SA2, these all exams you are writing only. That exam to how many days to only conducting that exam? Yes. So one exam means hours will be taken. Yes. Total exams means days. Yes. So next one. Again, in before one festival only coming. So before one festival will came, Dasara. In Dasara too we are celebrated 9 days. Yes. 9 days that Durgamma. Yes. Durga Devi to keeping and 9 days we are celebrating and Vinayaka Chauthi also. We are celebrating 9 days only. That Batkama. We are celebrating some days. So celebrating festivals. Celebrating. And Christmas also you are celebrating 2 days or 3 days. Like that. Ramjan also you are celebrating 1 month. Yes, days. Celebrating festivals. Next, traveling also. Some more journey, more distance having means taking days. Traveling. Next, weaving threads. You know, children, they are preparing thread for cloths to thread. That thread, weaving threads. They are preparing days. Yes. In days activities you see children again making a chair, poetry, writing exams, celebrating festivals and traveling, weaving threads. Are you understand? Making a chair means days will taking. Poetry also days taking. Yes. Next one, activities that require months. So growing rice. Now only came that paddy only. Yes. That growing rice will taking months only. Yes. These activities will require months. So building a house. So building a hut means taking days only. But house? So one dhaba or one building only. Which building? So building a house. Next, completing a course. Completing a course. A course completing also? Yes, completing a course. Suppose in computer course or any course will taking that only, that course in months only having. Yes. Next, working. Suppose some members are working months only. Some workers are working for months only. Yes, working. Next, making bricks. Making bricks. Making bricks also will require months only. So making bricks. Bricks will making means what we will do? They are taking mud and mixing and keeping. And again one place to keeping and boxes to also filling. Yes, and so many processes are there for bricks. So that how much time required for bricks making? Months. So, making bricks. Making bricks. Next, seasonal fruits also. Seasonal fruits. In this season, which fruit will come? Which fruit? Custard apple. Custard apple. And this season only will come. Yes. And next, after 11 months to after, next also this season fruits will come. Custard apple. But in middle, not only came. So that custard apple will preparing in which time? So seasonal fruits only, all seasonal fruits, mangoes also. Yes, seasonal fruits. Seasonal fruits. Next one. Say children, activities that require months. See children now. Forming a baby. So మీరు కూడా మీ మమ్మీ కడుపులో 9 months ఉండేసి వస్తారు కదా, 9 months అట్లా. Animals and like buffalo and sheep. Yes, forming a baby. So, all members write children. This one, activities that require a few minutes, activities require that hours, activities that require days, activities that require months. Next one, how much time does it take you to wink? Think of other activities that require less than a minute of your time. So wink means that what in I'm saying in Telugu that word. ఒక కన్ను ఇట్లా కొట్టడం అంటాం కదా నాన్న, ఎంత టైంలో కొడతాం? ఎంత టైం తీసుకుంటాం? 1 minute కన్నా లెస్, ఓన్లీ లెస్ దాన్ 1 minute. ఎస్, లెస్ దాన్ ఎ మినిట్. సో ఒక్కోసారి 2 కళ్ళు కొట్టడానికి కూడా అంతే, మినిట్ కన్నా తక్కువ. బ్లింక్. నెక్స్ట్ స్నాప్ కూడా మినిట్ కన్నా తక్కువ. క్లాప్ కూడా మినిట్ కన్నా తక్కువ తీసుకుంటాం కదా, లెస్ దెన్ ఏ మినిట్. ఓకే, బ్లింక్, స్నాప్, క్లాప్. Okay, are you completed children? Okay, next page number 100. Page number 100, see children. Movie time. Surya is very excited today. Today is the last day of his exam, and his parents promised him that they would be going to watch a movie in the evening. So his parents are promised what they are promised. So would be going to watch the movie in the evening. So he reached his school at here which time? This short hand, this one long hand. Yes, in short hand 9, long hand 12. So what is time now? 9 o'clock. 9. Next, he started writing his exam at which time to? Exam here in small hand 10, long hand 12. The time is 10 o'clock. At 10. Next, he had 2 hours to write the exam. While writing the exam, he looked at the clock in his classroom to see how much time was left. he had 2 hours to write exam. While writing exam, he looked at the clock in his classroom to see how much time was left. See here, one clock is there, time 11 only. Yes. So how much time did Surya have? How much time exam? How much time did Surya have now for exam? 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour already finishing and again 1 hour is there. So Surya finished writing his exam a few minutes before 12 o'clock, and then he walked back home after coming back from school. He kept looking at the clock. So what is the time in the clock now? See here, 2 o'clock. What is the time? 2 o'clock. They write 2 o'clock. Next one, Surya thought that they would leave after 3 hours for movie. At the time will Surya leave his house? Which of the clocks given below is showing this time? Surya thought that they would leave after 3 hours for movie. At what time will Surya leave his house? Which of the clocks given below is showing this time? Encircle it. See here. So Surya thought which time? 3 hours only. He is going 2 o'clock only. Yes. Surya thought the day leave after 3 hours for movie. Which of the clocks given below showing 7 o'clock? This one 7 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock. You encircle it. Okay. Next one, do this. Next page. What is the time on the clock? What is the time in the clock? Short hand 7, long hand 12. So time is 7 o'clock. 7. Next. What was the time 5 hours ago? 5 hours ago. So 5 hours ago, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hours ago, 2 o'clock. Next. What will be the time after 4 hours? After 4 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Yes? So, what is the time on the clock? This clock too. 11. 11. What was the time 3 hours ago? 3 hours ago. 3 hours means less than only this side. 1, 2, 3. 3 hours ago, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 3 hours ago, 8 o'clock. What will be the time after 2 hours? After 2 hours, 1 hour to 12. 2 hours to 1 o'clock. Okay, children? Write all of you completed. Completed, children? Okay, children. In next topic, in next class I will explain.